This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone has camera and internet access. Once done, open the TikTok app and tap Profile. Next, go to the three dots or menu to find Settings and look for the QR code scanner option. This initiates the login flow. You want the QR code already visible on a second device or printed because speed reduces errors. While you tap the scanner, hold the phone steady and keep the code centered. This ensures a quick, accurate read and avoids timeouts. Once your scanner is active, point the camera at the QR code and center it in the on-screen frame. Hold for a second or two. If the app asks, allow camera permissions. Without them, scanning fails. When TikTok reads the code, you'll see an account name and a login prompt. Make sure the account matches what you expect before you proceed. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to continue. This step protects you from accidental logins to the wrong account or malicious redirects. After confirming the scanned QR, TikTok completes the login and redirects you to your profile. Watch for any unexpected account details. If the scan fails, first toggle the camera permission, clean the lens, improve lighting, and hold the device steady because glare or blur often causes errors. If problems persist, use a backup method. Log in by phone, email, or request a password reset. Keep two-factor authentication on. It adds a layer of security if someone tries to misuse a QR login.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.